what happened last night. What happened last night, Michael? What happened last night?
I brought over some steaks. We cooked those.
We ate them like savages.
We ate them. Mashed potatoes and...
Can of butter, mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Can of butter shells.
So we ate some.
She did.
And then... I spent way too much money buying beer.
Yeah, you did.
I spent everything.
All of it?
Yeah, I have like $7 to my name.
You're fucked.
I had like $45 when I came over here yesterday.
You're fucked.
And
The effects of the next day.
and I would put some Mario.
And you got schooled in it, didn't you? And you were talking shit the whole time.
No, I did good for a couple levels.
No, you did not.